Hello everyone, in today's video, I'm going to review Toloka. Toloka is a platform that focuses on training data for AI and LLMs, where people complete small online tasks to help improve AI systems. These tasks can include things like labeling images, evaluating AI responses, checking search results, or helping train conversational agents. The platform is backed by strong AI infrastructure and is used to build datasets for things like coding copilots, research agents, and automation systems. It's not just a simple earning app, it's more about contributing to AI development while earning small rewards. One of the main advantages of Toloka is flexibility. You can work anytime, from anywhere, and choose tasks based on your skills. There are different categories like AI evaluation, data labeling, and testing agent behavior, which keeps the work varied. It's also beginner-friendly, and you don't need advanced qualifications to get started. However, the pay per task is usually low and earnings depend on how many tasks are available and how fast you complete them. It's not a stable income source, especially in regions where task availability is limited. Another important thing is that Toloka is more aligned with the growing AI industry. Many of the tasks are directly connected to training modern AI systems like chatbots, coding assistants, and research agents. This makes it slightly more meaningful compared to typical microtask platforms, but it still doesn't guarantee high earnings or consistent work. Overall, in 2026, Toloka is worth it if you are looking for a side hustle to earn small amounts in your free time and want to be part of AI-related work. It is not a scam, but it is also not a reliable full-time income source. For most users, it's useful as extra income or a learning experience, but not something you should depend on financially. That's it. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like and subscribe for more videos.